Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to frame in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. To frame in Canva, first select your template like that and go to Elements, click on Frame and select your frame type. From this list, let's go with this rounded frame. As you can see, a new image is added to your blank template. Now let's add this picture and slide it inside our old frame. As you can see, now my picture has rounded edges. Let's try another frame type. Go to Elements, click on Frame. Let's see all frame types. Let's go with this black frame. Now let's add my picture inside this black frame. Let's try another frame. Let's go with this. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Circle frame. If you try to use your old photo, it will not be possible. So go back to uploads and add your new photo to your new frame. And this is how to frame in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.